In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a chart view and restore the default visual settings. If your chart looks zoomed in too far, shifted out of place, or just visually cluttered after making a few changes, resetting it can help you get back to a clean and familiar layout very quickly. This is especially useful if you've been adjusting the display and want to return to the original setup without manually undoing every change. To begin, move your cursor anywhere over the open chart area and right-click. Make sure you are clicking directly on the chart itself, since that's where the reset options are available. Once the menu appears, look for the option called Reset Chart View and select it. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Alt and R at the same time to do the same thing. This will reset the current chart view, which is helpful for fixing the position or visibility of the chart without changing all of your broader visual preferences. Now, if you want to go a step further and completely restore the chart's visual styling to its factory defaults, you'll use the Settings menu instead. Start by right-clicking on the chart again, then choose Settings from the menu. This will open the Chart Settings window, where you can manage appearance-related options. Inside that window, look toward the bottom left corner for the Template drop-down menu. This area is important because it lets you apply preset visual configurations. Click the template drop-down, then choose Apply Defaults. This tells the platform to remove your custom visual styling and return the chart to its original default appearance. After selecting Apply Defaults, click OK to confirm the change and restore the factory visual settings. Once you do that, your chart should return to the standard look provided by the platform. A helpful tip here is to remember the difference between these two actions. Reset Chart View is mainly for correcting how the chart is currently displayed on screen, while Apply Defaults is for restoring the full visual style, including customized appearance settings. Knowing which one to use can save time and help you avoid resetting more than you intended. That's it.